Hey guys, Prothomir again. Welcome back to the channel. Just want to apologize that I haven't uploaded in so long. I know I do this pretty frequently where I just don't upload for long periods of time. But I'm pretty excited today. I have the kind of unboxing video to show you. And I wanted to show you, I actually got a gift that I wanted to show you before. And I actually got a camera, an HD camera, and I can connect it to the Wi-Fi. And so I'm excited because I can use this for future videos, and I'm going to actually use it for an upcoming video, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I hope you're looking forward to that. And yeah, I'm going to use it like as a stand because I haven't really been able to do that. I actually have to have someone hold the camera normally, like how I did for the Raspberry Pi 4 video. That's why it might be a little shaky. So hopefully that'll be, hopefully that won't happen now. Alright, let's get into the video. So here we have the camera. Just wanted to go over what the box says. So it comes with a tripod, a waterproof case, it comes with a selfie stick, and it has an 8GB micro flash card. It's for ages 8+. Make sure to not put this near any young children because they could choke on some small parts. And on the other side, there are the items in these little boxes. You can use it a lot of different ways. You can put it on the tripod. You can wear it like on your helmet, mount it, or stick it. And then here are the specifications. It has a 2-inch display. You can record at 1080p, 720p, 480p, and then those are the rest. Wi-Fi connectivity, waterproof case, 120 wide-angle lens, 8GB micro flash card, yeah. And it has a recording time of 45 minutes, so pretty good. It comes with a camera, the card, and an adapter, USB cable, a waterproof case, a selfie stick, tripod, pole mount or frame mount, flat adhesive mounts / straps, short thumb screw and pivot mount, and a long thumb screw and quick release buckle. And it also has a screen on the back. It's a preview screen. And so yeah, you can use it for a lot of things. So let me just open this real quick. So here we have all of the equipment out of the box, and I'm just going to show it. So here's the manual. It has all the safety instructions and like how to use it, and how to power it on and stuff. This is to register your product. It's kind of like warranty, stuff like that. Here's the tripod. You can just open this out, and it turns over here on this little joystick kind of thing. There's a selfie stick. It can extend a bit. Let's see how much it extends. So I'd say it extends a few feet, 2-3 feet maybe. Pretty hard to open actually. Then we have the micro flash adapter and the chip, and then we have the camera, and we have the charger for it, and then here's all the extra accessories for like sticking it to places, like mounting it on places, like if you want to attach it to a scooter handle, like the box said, you can attach it to like a helmet, scooter handle, or on a skateboard if you want to do that, just to record stuff like that. And then here's the actual camera, and it's in a case. It's pretty hard to open, so just give me a second to get it open. There we go. So to open it, you actually have to pull this little switch, and you have to pull over here, and it's kind of tough. So you might have to get someone else to open it for you. And then the camera itself, pretty delicate. Don't touch it. Keep it how you would keep your normal cameras. Keep it away from wet stuff. Use it with clean hands, all that stuff. And so here's the shutter button, or the OK button, the status light, power button. There's the camera with the little thing on it, plastic cover. There's the up or Wi-Fi button. There's the down button. There's the screen, and here's the charging light. And then over here we have the little slot to insert it in. We have a speaker, microphone, and we have the place to charge it in. So that's the camera, and yeah, that should be it. So yeah, guys, that was the camera unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. It was one of the few unboxing videos I've ever done on this channel, at least so far. I know I'll be using it for future videos where I need to use it, like if I have to use both of my hands, but I still have to record something. So yeah, you can look forward to those videos. And a sub to the channel would be amazing. It would help me grow. Yeah, I'll see you next video.